We're now ready to start building our drawers for this project, starting with the drawer boxes. Once again, I'm using the 1/2-inch plywood for the sides of the box and a 1/4-inch piece of plywood for the bottom. I'll rip these to their final width on my table saw before cutting them to their final length on the miter saw. The sizing for these drawer boxes will be dependent on how many drawers you have and how tall your project is. Before assembling the drawer boxes, we need to add a 1/4-inch groove along the bottom edge that will accept the bottom panel. To do this, I'm making 2 passes for each board with the table saw depth set to a 1/4 inch. To assemble the drawer boxes, I can add some wood glue to each notch and attach at the corners using a brad nailer or a stapler. This is a very simple and easy way to build drawer boxes, however there are other methods depending on how complex you want your build to be. The important thing is to make sure that all of your boxes are square to make sure that they function properly with the drawer slots.